Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon to my respected lecturer and my dear friends. My name is Yudhistira Putra Pangestu. Today I am deeply honored to stand before you to discuss a transformative topic that will fundamentally redefine our lives, our careers, and the generation to come, the future of education. Redefining learning in the digital age. When we think about traditional schooling, we often picture rigid brick and mortar classroom, heavy textbooks, and a passive one-size-fits-all teaching method where students just sit and listen. But ladies and gentlemen, we are currently living through a massive historical paradigm shift. We are moving away from these traditional boundaries toward a decentralized, highly immersive, and AI-driven ecosystem. Education is officially breaking its walls, and there is no turning back. This digital transformation stands firmly on two major pillars. First, we have the hybrid revolution. Post-pandemic hybrid models have solidified themselves as the new norm, not just a temporary solution. It seamlessly blends crucial in-person social interaction with flexible online resource. Second, we have global connectivity powered by cloud computing and high-speed internet. We are entering an inspiring era of classroom without walls, where physical distance no longer limits human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. This brings us to a beautiful consequence: global accessibility. For centuries, high-quality education was an elite privilege, strictly restricted by a person's wealth, social status, and geographical borders. Today, technology is successfully democratizing knowledge through open learning platforms. A student living in a remote village or a developing area can now access the exact same world-class lectures and research journals as someone studying at an LEV language university. We are actively transforming education from an elite privilege into a universal human right. But technology changes more than just where we learn. It profoundly changes how we absorb information through immersive learning. By utilizing virtual and augmented reality, abstract and boring concepts instantly come to life. Medical students no longer just look at drawings. They can perform risk-free virtual surgeries. Engineering and history students can experience simulation that were previously impossible. It is scientifically proven that this experiential learning increases students' engagement and knowledge retention by a staggering uh, 75% compared to traditional lecture formats. This massive shift is not just an academic authority, it is backed by incredible economic momentum. As you can see on the screen, the global edtech market value reached uh, 1.89 billion in 25. Capital, global investment, and corporate demands are heavily shifting towards career-oriented platforms and AI-driven software. This enormous economic backing proves that digital education is not a temporary trend or a passing fad, but a permanent foundation for the future global economy. So, what are the core operational pillars of this future? They rest on three modern frameworks. Number one, intelligence algorithm that adapt content to each student's unique learning speed and intellectual style. Number two, increasing student engagement by turning difficult key uh, one to lessons into interactive game-based reward. Number three, very verifiable skill certificates that allow students to build a flexible skill wallet, which is rapidly replacing traditional monolithic diplomas in the modern job market. If we analyze to the long-term growth project on this chart, the market is forecasted to skyrocket to a monumental 5 uh, million dollar by 2034. This robust growth reflects a critical and urgent global demand for upskilling. The world and industry requirements are moving incredibly fast, and traditional slow-moving academic system can no longer keep up without integrating technology. Now, with all this advanced artificial intelligence, a vital question arises that we must address. Will teachers and lecturers eventually be replaced by robots and machines? The answer is absolutely not. Instead, their roles are being elevated to a higher purpose. Educators are shifting from mere lecturers to life mentors. While technology excels at automating data and delivering cold facts, human educators will focus on what a machine can never replicate: empathy, critical thinking, cross-cultural collaboration, and ethical guidance. To summarize, uh, the cutting-edge technology driving this change, we look at three innovation: generative AI providing scalable custom tutoring for every individual, knowledge graph mapping complex interdisciplinary connections between subjects, and blockchain credential ensuring secure, decentralized, and unforgivable verification of your workplace skills. As we near the end of this presentation, let us reflect deeply on a powerful thought. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Technology is the force that finally puts that weapon in everyone's hands.